Hello friends, welcome to Middle Geekers Academy. Today in this session, we are studying the proofs of half-angle formulae, Heron's formula, Napier's analogy, which are based on sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. First, half-angle formulae. We know the notations. The length of sides are denoted by small ABCs. So the perimeter will be 2s. Let us denote the perimeter as 2s. What we have to prove? Sine a by 2 equals to square root of s minus b s minus c upon bc. So let's start proof of half angle sine a by 2. We know that 1 minus cos a is 2 sine square a by 2. By cosine rule, we can replace cos a by b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. In LHS, take LCM as 2bc. So it gives 2bc minus b square minus c square plus a square. Collect the terms 2bc minus b square minus c square by taking minus sign common. This b square minus 2bc plus c square is nothing but b minus c whole square. Now numerator is of the type a square minus b square. So it is a minus b and a plus b. That is a minus b minus c and a plus b minus c. In the next step, add and subtract b. So the first bracket becomes a plus b plus c minus 2b. In second bracket, add and subtract c. So it becomes a plus b plus c minus 2c. What is a plus b plus c? Yes, it is 2s. Means it is 2s minus 2b and 2s minus 2c. Take 2 common from both the brackets. So it becomes 4. S minus b, s minus c upon 2bc, and to the right side it is 2 sine square a by 2. Cancelling constants, we get sine square a by 2 equals to s minus b, s minus c upon bc. Taking square root, we get sine a by 2 equals to under root s minus b, s minus c upon bc. So this is the proof of sine a by 2. Next, to prove that cos a by 2 is square root of s into s minus a upon bc. We know that 1 plus cos a is 2 sine square a by 2. Again replacing by cosine rule, b square plus e square minus a square upon 2bc. It is 2 cos square a by 2. Collect, after taking LCM, collect the terms of b and c. So it is b square plus 2bc plus c square minus a square. This is nothing but perfect square of b plus c. So b plus c whole square minus a square upon 2bc. Again factorize, applying the formula a square minus b square. So b plus c minus a and b plus c plus a. Add and subtract a in the first bracket. So it gives a plus b plus c minus 2a. Second bracket as it is. A plus b plus c, as we know, it is 2s. So replace a plus b plus c by 2s. So first bracket is now 2s minus 2a. In the next step, 2 can be taken common. Cancelling constants. So we get s minus a upon bc equals to cos square a by 2. So this proves cos a by 2 equals to square root of s minus a upon bc. Next, third is tan a by 2. We had already proved sin a by 2 and cos a by 2. Take the ratio of sin a by 2 and cos a by 2 to find tan a by 2. So replacing half angle formulae of sin a by 2 and cos a by 2, BC gets cancelled. So we get s minus b, s minus c upon s into s minus a. So this completes the proof of half angle formulae. Next is Heron's formula. If ABC are sides of triangle ABC and A plus B plus C is 2S, then prove that area of triangle ABC is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We know that area of triangle ABC is half BC sin A. By half angle formula, sin A can be written as 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. We know half angle formulae in terms of small ABCs. So applying half angle formula of sin A by 2 and cos A by 2. So it is BC into square root of S minus B, S minus C upon BC, square root of S into S minus A upon BC. Combining both the square roots, as BC both are same and are in product, so it will be BC. In numerator, we have S minus B, S minus C, S into S minus A. BC gets cancelled. So we remain with square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this proves that area of triangle is under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Next, Napier's analogy. In triangle ABC, prove that tan B minus C by 2 equals to B minus C upon B plus C into cot A by 2. We know by sine rule we can write B as 2r sin B and C as 2r sin C. Consider the term B minus C upon B plus C. Replace the values of B and C, 2r sin B and 2r sin C. 2r can be taken common from both numerator and denominator. After taking common, cancel. So we have sin B minus sin C upon sin B plus sin C. Apply factorization formulae, sin C minus sin D. So by that formula, we have numerator as 2 cos B plus C by 2 into sin of B minus C by 2. By sin C plus sin D formula, we have denominator as 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos of B minus C by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Cos by sin is cot, whereas sin by cos is tan. Since ABCs are the angles of triangle, we know A plus B plus C is pi, means B plus C must be pi minus A. Dividing both sides by 2, so we can replace this B plus C by 2 by pi minus A by 2. That is cot pi by 2 minus A by 2 into tan of B minus C by 2. By allied angle, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Take tan A by 2 to the left side. So it becomes B minus C upon B plus C into 1 upon tan A by 2 equals to tan of B minus C by 2. So this proves Napier analogy. Tan B minus C by 2 equals to B minus C upon B plus C into cot A by 2. So this completes the proof of half angle formulae, Heron's formula and Napier's analogy. Thank you.